Example 4 and 5. Go ahead and pause the video and write these problems down. This time we're going to be subtracting. All right, example 4. Same steps apply to addition and subtraction. So the first thing we look at is our powers of 10. They're different. So the 3 is lower than the 4, so we're going to add 1 to the 3. That means, whoop, sorry about that. Let me clear that out. Try it again. We're going to add 1 to the 3, which means we're going to move our decimal 1 place to the left. This becomes 0.24 times 10 to the 4th. Now they have the same power of 10. We're ready to subtract. And when you subtract, it does matter which number goes on the top. The first one has to go on the top because you're subtracting this one from this one. So make sure, and then you also have to line up those decimals. So make sure that in subtraction, the first number goes on top, second number goes on bottom, and that you line up the decimals. All right, we're going to have to do a little bit of borrowing here. You can't do 3 minus 4, so we got to come over here and borrow. Becomes a 6. This becomes a 13. So 13 minus 4 is 9. 6 minus 2 is 4. And 8 minus nothing is 8. So now we have our answer, 8.49 times 10 to the 4th power, because we keep the power that we created that they had in common. Example 5. All right, so we first look at our powers of 10. This has 10 to the 9th, and this has 10 to the 7th. So we're going to add 2 to this one, move the decimal 1 2 spaces. So decimal 0.7 times 10 to the 9th. Now they have the same power of 10. We're ready to subtract. And again, the first one has to go on the top. So 5.82 minus 0.07. We're going to borrow 2 minus 7, so come over to the 8 becomes a 7. So now it's 12 minus 7, which is 5. And we get 5.75 times 10 to the 9th. We keep the power that they had in common that we created.